Well, welcome back everybody to the channel. Today we have another DIY project here on the trailer. This is going to be a lot similar to the awning. What we're going to be attempting to do is make a privacy shower area, bathroom area on the front nose of the trailer here. And what that's going to consist of is a couple of arms that's going to fold out on the front of the trailer, and that will give us some area to hang some shower curtains, and that'll give us a little spot to put a toilet when we don't have trees, and a place to take a shower behind privacy. So we're going to be using a lot of the same material that we were using on the awning. Here, I'll show you what I got for this. Alright, so like all this stuff almost is, besides the pins you've probably seen in the awning video, it's the same. It's actually some of the same stuff we had left over from the awning. The bolts, I had to get some more nuts and more bearings. Going to be using the same 1-inch tubing and 1-inch round pipe for the bearings. All right, guys, let's get it started. All right, guys, so we're just going to start figuring out the length of pipe we need to cut with these little bolts we had left over from the awning. And so after we get a measurement here, we'll cut 2 pieces of 1-inch black gas pipe. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get these things marked out and get them cut. Alright guys, now we need to make some kind of a bracket to house this, kind of like what we did for the awning again. There's going to be one bracket on each side. One of them is going to be pretty close to the railing on the rack, and I'll have another one set off about 1 inch, so they'll fold up together flat. So I'm just going to mark out a couple of pieces of plate steel here, and we'll cut those out and see if we can get some kind of bracket made here. Alright, let's weld those up. Alright guys, there's our 2 brackets. I'm just going to take the grinder and clean them up a little bit. There's the 2 brackets. One's a little shorter than the other. So that will give the offset of the other arm. All right. So let's get this piece of tubing right here cut in half. All right, 94 and a half. Alright, these will be the arms. It's going to extend out for the shower arms. I'm going to go ahead and grind a little bit off the ends right here where they will be attached to the pipe. And that will give it a little bit better fit to the pipe. We'll do that with this grinder here with the sanded disc. And we got those where they fit a little better. We're going to weld them on. All right. Let's get those cleaned up with the grinder. All right, guys, we got the gussets cut. Let's go ahead and get those welded on our arms. Watch your eyes. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and put this bracket on. It's for the 270 awning. I didn't ever put it on when I made it because we're still not finished with the cover for it. But this is going to be the front support for the 270 awning. So that'll support the front end of this. So that's going to go there, and then our front brackets that we just made will go right here on the front of that. So let's get those welded on. All right, guys, this one's going to be moved out 1 inch. That will give, so when this one's closed and that one's closed, this one will actually close on top of the other one, so they'll fold up flat together. So I just want to make sure we get that moved out plenty. And I'm going to try to attempt to just drill a hole, try to get it straight. We'll see how that works. Probably not pretty good. Very good. But we're going to attempt it anyway. See if we can get this guy in here. So I'm going to say this one's going to go closer to the back. Let's say right there. Alright guys, paint has somewhat dried. There's the finished product. That's what it's going to look like when it's closed. I have not yet went ahead and put the pins in. I don't think I'm going to put these in until we find out exactly where we're going to put the arms at and what position, because that's where they really need to be pinned, that is here when they're out. So we'll kind of figure that out as we get to using it, and I can do that then. So I'm kind of thinking that they need to go out more of an angle here than straight out. But
and why?
It'll give us a little bit more room right here in this corner, and we're not going to hit our shins and knees all over that hitch. It's going to be a little tight getting around that, but we can maybe have a toilet on one side, shower on the other. So. All right, this shower curtain is not the shower curtain we're going to be using out here. It's just something we're just going to use for demonstration, just kind of show you how it's going to be. So what we're thinking, it's going to take several different shower curtains. So we're thinking we're just going to slide these on. Anyway, hey look, it's about the, I was thinking it was going to be a lot shorter than that. But that's basically what it's going to look like. Then we'll have another one on that arm and something else to stretch across here, either another shower curtain or...
Yeah, we're going to need
a tarp.
4 at least. I mean, if we go with shower curtains, I mean, because this one's going to be super long right here.
Well, time it gets stretched out, maybe. I don't know.
I don't know.
But
we'll need to see what the length is between this arm and that arm right there.
Depends on where you want to put it at too, you know.
Yeah.
How long that one's going to need. So, but anyway, I think it'll be a great addition while we're out on the beach. That's probably about the only time we'll ever use them,
right?
Unless we're camping with others,
right?
So, but I mean, I'm sure we'll find something to use them for other than holding the shower curtain up. So, all right guys, that's going to wrap it up for this week. Thank you for watching, and if you have not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, the like button, and also share this video with anybody that might be interested in some of the content that we're putting out. And it's all about getting this channel to grow, guys, and more and more people we can reach, the happier we are. So y'all have a blessed week, and we'll see you on the next one.